Wanna sound more smarter, more confident, and instantly more impactful, even if you say a single line? Use this powerful technique, the 2-second power pause. Like without pause. I think we should go with option 2. It makes more sense strategically and financially. But with pause, I think we should go with option 2. It makes more sense financially as well as strategically. You can see the difference. When you are taking pause, it gives your word weight. It shows you are confident, you are calm, and you are in control. You can literally feel that people are going to listen. I'm genuinely saying people are definitely going to listen. You can try this by your own. You are going to feel that like people are going to nod into your speech, and you will feel that you are the TEDx speaker. Try this by your own.